This is a Mercedes 115 from 1972. It's made in Germany and originally delivered in Holland. It's a 220 diesel. It's the first generation 115. The first generation has small mirrors, a small window here. Normally it has round headlight. This is a headlight of a second generation 115 with halogen. This has more light than the normally Duplo lights. This car has the bumper of the coupe. It has two bumpers. Normally it has one. Only the coupe has double bumper. It has alloy wheels. Normally it has steel wheels with a chromium wheel cover, but this one has alloy with tires with protection against bumping to the rims. The inside is very simple. You need to turn by hand to open it, not electric. Very simple radio. For the back heating of the window. 4-gear hand shift. Need to shift by hand manual. 1, 2, 3, 4. To start the engine, you need to pull here, and then you need to look here. Now you can see inside it's glowing, and then you can start. With this one you can let the engine run slower. As you can hear. This one is the foot brake, and that one is the windscreen washer. You push it and then it will spray. This one has the original books also, and a card, fabric card with the Fahrzeugdata, everything from the car, like tires, paint color, maintenance book and manual book. Spare tire. And the lift. And here you can put in the fuel. Diesel